Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the best vacuum cleaner in the market for this year. Hoover UH3001 Calm Canister Vacuum Cleaner. For fast and efficient cleaning, this cleaner operates on a wind tunnel technology and direct airflow technology. It uses a motorized brush roll and includes various attachments like a telescoping wand and crevice tool. It incorporates the use of a self-sealing HEPA bag with a check bag indicator to remind users when the bag needs to be changed. There are 2 speed options and the fingertip controls are illuminated for easy use. Although the cleaner is very effective, the size of the head prevents it from getting under a lot of furniture. Hoover Lynx BH50010 Vacuum Cleaner. The fuel gauge on the vacuum works as an indicator to tell users how much battery life the vacuum has left. It offers consistent performance with the fade-free lithium-ion battery. It has a low-profile head and an extreme recline handle which provides easy access to the areas underneath a furniture. The wind tunnel technology offers great suction for removing deeply embedded dirt. A motorized brush roll cleans pet hair, dust, and dirt, but is not easily detachable for maintenance purposes. Dyson V6 Animal Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Running on a battery, there is no struggle with tangled cords and no need to change outlets when using this cleaner. The battery offers a continuous suction of up to 20 minutes. It cleans carpet much better with the direct drive cleaner heads. This head sinks the bristles deeper into the carpet. A mini motorized tool is also available for cleaning ground in dirt and pet hair. A quick detach wand provides easy conversion for handheld cleaning purposes. Since it uses an instant release trigger, holding it down continuously during use can get tiring.